Today I want to talk about another curation of keywords. This question has been asked by Meta in the past. It is considered a hard question given some manipulation and curation of data. Without any further delay, let's dive into this question and talk through some of the nitty-gritties. The title of this question is called Views per Keyword. The question is, create a report showing how many views each keyword has, output the keyword and the total views, and order records with highest view count first. So there are a couple of functions usually that are being used to identify and break down keywords depending on how complex the keywords are captured in the table. So literally it is tied to the type of data that you find in the table. So let's take a quick look at the type of keywords and the kind of manipulations that need to be done. Looks like the post keyword is the column that we want to curate. At a high level, it looks like we need to remove the commas in between the keywords and trim anything that looks like a square bracket and a hash. Those are the high level insights. It also makes 100% sense to ask the interviewer, what can I expect? Is this the format I can expect, or should I look for more characters? We are going to curate this column called post keywords. There are essentially two functions that I'm going to use today. There's going to be BTRIM to get rid of anything that is in the column post keywords, like the square brackets and the hash. So I'm going to identify the column here, and I'm going to trim for anything that looks like square brackets and hash. Okay, and then I'm going to use this function called string-to-array. 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 To remove any commas in between the keywords and generate the keywords, unique list of keywords. Okay, and unnest is going to help me curate and identify those keywords in a much more clean way, and I'm going to use that as column keywords to keep it simple. And now I'm going to identify the viewer IDs associated to those keywords. I'm going to bring that from table B, which is the Facebook post views. Okay, count as total views. Okay, do want to create the right aliases to make it easier. Okay, make sure all the brackets are closed, and we have the aliases that we mentioned. Post keywords is coming from table A, which is the Facebook post. Facebook post. Join Facebook post views is the second table where the views are coming from. Views B on A dot post ID is the join key that we are going to use. That's common in both the tables. Group by 1. We do need to order by the highest number of views. Count of B dot viewer ID DSC. That's going to take care of the descending order of views for each keyword. Okay, this looks like the logic is complete. However, I want to add one more small detail. In case some of the keywords do not have any views, we do want to bring those keywords, because if there are 0 views, the keywords are not going to appear in the final output. Since we do want to identify a unique list of keywords as mentioned in the question and bring all of them even though there are no views, we do want to use coalesce function. It's going to bring in all the unique list of keywords and return the views against those keywords. Okay, now let's try and run this. Okay, we have the views. Let's check the solution. Looks like it is correct. So that's all for today. Let's catch up again for more exciting SQL challenges.